Hello guys, this is Avcoor and I'm going to do throwers, which I suck at. I'm not even going to waste it on this. Even though this is max level, I'm not really going to use that. And we're going to have to change difficulty to to this. I might actually have to use my Infernal Guardian. That's up for the debate because I don't like Blizzard. I think it sucks. But I thought since it was like a purple that I'd go ahead and use it. But it's purple. But it sucks. Excuse me. So we won't be using diamonds on this at all, period. I'm gonna save my diamonds for tomorrow anyway. Yeah, this sucks. This is on lesser difficulty. I guess it does have potential. It's getting the job done here. Yeah, it sucks. Getting the job done. It sucks. This is lower difficulty. I just don't want to spin up my trial vouchers. I think I should waste it. Yeah. I'm gonna tank some of this stuff here. I'm gonna tank this stuff. Yeah. This is the last guy that has to be done. Yeah. Yeah, this way. Yeah, my throwers are weak. I think I'm gonna have to look at my Infernal Guardian. Yeah, this is not bad. So we'll just go ahead and rate it. Yeah, like we're getting junk. Yeah, we're getting junk. Yeah. So let's see where we're ranked here. We're ranked super low. Look at that. That's why they're up here. Oasis Lord, that's impressive. That actually impresses me, Oasis Lord. You got that far with that weapon. But everybody else, this guy's impressive. Somebody was spinning that bread. Thanos, so of course. Of course. Where's GQ is? So some of these guys got up there with this weapon. Maybe there's some potential in that. I guess I just got to level it up. Maybe. Anyways, if you like my content, then like, share, subscribe button. I'll get back to you. Have a great one, and laters.